Bonnet damper replacement. The bonnet damper is no longer working, so I'm going to replace it. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove this metal fitting at the top. Use a flathead screwdriver to remove this metal fitting at the bottom. Remove the metal fittings as shown here. The backside is shaped to accommodate a ball joint. This is the lower ball joint. You can easily remove it by shifting the metal fittings. This is the upper ball joint. The left side can be replaced if the right side is in the 90-degree lock position, but it is better to have support for the right side. Left side replacement. Right side replacement. The work will take about 10 minutes. You will need a flathead screwdriver and a support rod. If you have someone to help you, you won't need a rod. Thank you for watching until the end.